Okay, YouTube, so we walked back into Lowe's. Here's the big plastic clown. He's actually pretty cool. He's blow molded. He's 60 bucks. So that's pretty cool. Here's the Michael Myers. They don't have him on the floor. Michael Myers still has the goofy chime xylophone music that doesn't match him. Jason looks like he's got a little sugar in his tank. Oh, there goes the twins down there. They're actually pretty creepy. They're small, but they're creepy. All right, hit Michael. Hit Jason. Okay, so they got his heavy breathing. His work gloves. All right, hit Freddy. Freddy's probably the best looking out of all of them.
I'm gonna wait for this guy to turn off.
Hit Freddy. That's not Freddy.
It's not?
Push it. Oh, it kind of sounds like Robert Englund. Alright, not bad. What is this guy? The pirate? He's the gravedigger?
There's something spooky.
Yeah, so they did not put their animatronics on the floor this year. So Michael Myers in a blue jumpsuit, his hair is kind of jacked. We'll see. I still don't see their 12-foot mum yet. It's a little Chucky. Oh, so Chucky wanders around. I didn't know that. It's got some good motion.
I'm trying to hit the face.
Alright, these little kids are starting to annoy me in their little theme music. Let's wander. Alright. So they do have one Freddy, one Michael. Oh, they got two Freddys in, right? Oh, they got one Freddy in. Alright. Okay, we still got the new blow molds this year. That's kind of a thing. We saw those in my last video. Oh, here's a little gargoyle. He's 32 bucks. That's a little suggestive. Okay. Looks like they've got, ooh, a new candelabra. Ooh, it rocks. Man, the snake theme must be coming on strong because Big Lots had the snake stuff. So maybe next year is going to be snakes like the last couple years been killer plants. So that's not too bad. And it's 25 bucks. So that's not hateful. Let's hit Medusa. See if she does the same old thing. Yep. Looks like they retooled her a little bit. She's still soft latex. Alright, I think we've seen the rest of these guys. They've got the pumpkins in. So they've got, what, 1, 2, 3 different designs. I showed you guys these in my live stream. These are pretty awesome, and they're only 20 bucks a piece. So they've got one little short squat guy. That kind of a taller version. And they're just thin plastic, but they have a cover over their LED. And they are pretty bright. These are pretty awesome, I gotta admit. Okay. And then they got a little taller version. But they glow pretty good, man. And again, their LED is covered, so you could put these guys outside with rain. Maybe drill a little hole in the bottom so rainwater will drip out and stuff. What the hell is that? Get out of here. Got the pumpkin and the bats again we saw, 20 bucks. Let's stand up and see what the hell else they got. These are pretty cool. This year they have a skeleton version. So these guys are only 10 bucks. There's 3 sections of pipe, you stab them together and stack them in your driveway and check it out. There we go. He's sort of a green flame, where the pumpkin is an orange one. Get in there. So those are really awesome. Alright, kill them. Alright, let's keep on creeping so we can find some new stuff. Okay, so they got a ton of pillows, man. I think this is new for Lowe's, kind of new territory. I don't think they did pillows before. Happy Haunting. Looks like they're all $16.98, so they've got a bunch of different varieties. Bats with spooky trees, a spider web, a black and white theme, trick or treat, Happy Halloween in the bottom, an 18-inch black light. How much is the black light, man? Could never have too many black lights. Little LED black light. That's pretty cool, man. All right. Well, they got some more stuff in the next aisle. Let's walk over and see what they got over there. Alright, so it looks like they've got their own spider. He's $6. You just wrap him around something. This is pretty interesting. So they must have got a hold of some Haunted Mansion gear
Serpents and spiders.
at the Madame Leota ball.
Call in the spirits wherever they're at.
So man, people are jumping on the Haunted Mansion bandwagon, which is pretty awesome.
Time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
Pretty cool, man. I wonder if that's Gemmy or not. Haunted Mansion, and then they've got a Haunted Mansion projector. It shows the logo. Of course, they don't have one plugged in. The Madame Leota ball is $70. Wow, okay. So what is this? This is a plastic plaque, Haunted Mansion plaque. Push the button. It's blue, lights blue. Pretty cool. Or put it in the dark, it shows better. Pretty sharp, man. This thing's probably $26.98, I bet. Looks like they even got the hitchhiking ghosts. How freaking cool are these, man? These guys are all $30 a whack. So man, Haunted Mansion decor, that's a first at Lowe's. They got all these guys. This guy's probably the best one. All for $30. And of course they got Nightmare Before Christmas, the mirrors. These guys are all $30 a piece too. Dr. Finkelstein, $0. Oh, Denise, look, here's a Finkelstein, Dr. Finkelstein. You said nobody made one. Here's proof at Lowe's. Oogie Boogie. Oh, they got a bunch of them. The mirror has two faces. One on one side, one on the other, so you can change them. And those guys are all 30. Well, there's Sally. Sorry, Sally with the dust. All right, let's creep over to the last aisle and see what else they got there. All right, so for people doing smaller projects or doing your tombstone fences, everybody likes to put the little skulls on there. These guys are pretty good hard plastic. You get, 1, 2, 3, 6, 5 skulls in a bag. Oh, freaking math. For $12.98, so you could sculpt on top of these, do shrunken heads or whatnot, and they got a bunch of them. They've got bags of bones for $12.98. So you get a couple of skulls, some rib bones and femurs. They've got mini tombstones, $10. Here's some bigger tombstones for $20. What does he do? Okay, so he lights up a little bit. That's a tall ass tombstone. There's another big skull one. There's an Rim Reaper Angel one. These guys are $20. Looks like they all do something like light up or something. The plastic face in the middle. All right, that's not too bad. Is that a Haunted Mansion projector?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, Madame Leota. Looks like they're $16.98. And there's an animated tombstone is $109. Whatever the animated tombstone was is gone. Somebody bought that already, or it's up on a shelf, and I don't see it up there with all the other stuff. So, wow, man, the Haunted Mansion stuff's coming out this year. How crazy is that? So whatever the animated tombstone is, I'll have to look that one up online because I don't see it. Or if you want to look it up online, there's your SKU number right there, 4925733. All right, guys, looks like a bunch of signage. Welcome, boo. Alan Roth signs, $24.99. Hay rides. The same stuff we have at Home and everything else. So, well, this one lights up like a little overhead light. And these guys are $34. How do you light it up? Come on now, sign. You tell me you light up and then nothing happens. Oh, okay. Pretty cool. Alright. Alright guys, so I couldn't find the 12-foot mummy, but they did have the animatronics out for the slashers, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to try and hit this place one more time before the end of the year and see what we can find. Maybe I can get that 12-foot mummy on tape and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. We're going to go to Spirit Halloween. We've got a bunch of places to go, so we're going to hit up and keep shopping all summer long. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.